Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn account. So for this you have to go first on your Google browser on your computer, then search here LinkedIn. Here it is. Now you can see a link here first, then go for it, LinkedIn Bangladesh. Then after that you can see a page like this. If you have already a LinkedIn profile, then you can type your email or phone number and password here. After that you can sign in. But if you don't have, then you have to go to LinkedIn, join now, or otherwise you have to go for here, join now. So go for any of it. After that you have to uh, type here email of your one of your email. So I'll go for this one. You can type your email here and password. You can type here a password of your LinkedIn profile for your LinkedIn profile. So I'll click here, continue as Jitu. Okay. Now agree and join. Okay. Wait for it. Okay. It's asking for a puzzle. Okay, pick the image that is the correct way up. So this is the correct way. This one is also. So it's done. Okay. So it's loading. Okay, wait for it. Now you have to select your country here, which my default is Bangladesh. After that, you have to select your city. So mine is Rangamati. Here it is. Then go for next. You can select yes, I am actively looking for a new job, or not really, or no, I am not interested in any job opportunity for now. So I can select it. You can select this one or this one. So I'll select this one. Then go for next. So now you have to type here your job title. So type here digital marketing. Okay. Okay, any of it. Then you can select it from here, full-time or part-time, so freelance or self-employed. So I'll go for freelance. Then most recent company, you have to type here your recent company. So I added my company here. After that you have to go for continue. Okay, now I'll skip it. You can skip it. Okay. Okay, now you can go for next. Skip. You can attach your photo from here, from your desktop or anywhere. I'll skip it now. Again, go for next. Okay, go for finish. So it's loading. Oh, okay. So your profile is created now. So guys, this is how you can create LinkedIn account. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.